Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about my recent project where I set up in Shopify website, Google Analytics 4, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API, also Google Analytics for server tracking. So first I show my Shopify backend. If I go to here, so Shopify deprecated their checkout page under additional script in August 2025. And the new option, we have to use the customer event. And I use this customer event and first I add this code the update code to enable our Google Tag Manager data layer. So after that I set up all of this tag. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. Here I set up all of this tag. Okay, here I set up all of this necessary tag for all of this platform, like just a second. Okay, here I set up this tag for enable this all of this tag for Google Analytics 4. This track through we send all of this data in our Google Tag Manager server container. If I open this tag, the GA4 config tag, here we see the server container URL. Here we send all of this data from our web container to server container, this container. And from this container, we set up the mentor conversion API, from server, as well as we set up the Google Analytics for server tracking, as well as we extend the cookie lifetime for both platform. And if I go to here you can see the Facebook Pixel browser set, all of this tag we set up in here. I just not only set up the standard event like purchase, add to cart, and add payment or add performance for including like view cart, view item list, and others remove from cart, like that. I send the purchase event all of this information like product, including here the user data like user external ID, the city, country, email, first name, last name. User, all of this user provided data to increase our like purchase product, ID, category, name, type, currency value, full product array, as well as send the unique event ID to duplicate in our meta event manager. And I also send all of this data for also Google Analytics. If I open like Google Analytics for purchase tag, just a second. So okay, here are all of these parameters like the currency, value, items, coupon, transaction ID, shipping, tax, hello, customer type, etc., etc. So in here, if I go to Google Analytics 4, and I also see all of this data like including view item list, event, view item, add to cart, and remove from cart, and also begin checkout. Here we see all of this data populated, all of this product data, and here user and also others data. So here also currency. So all of this setup properly working, and our server-side tracking working properly, and I set up server-side tracking using step.io. So here you see I send the data using. Hey, if you're running paid ad, I have a quick question for you. Is your conversion tracking working flawless even with ad blocker or IS button restriction? The reason I'm asking is simple. Without proper conversion tracking, users could miss your ideal customer. I can set up for you Facebook Pixel and Conversion API, Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking and dynamic remarketing tags, Google Analytics for server-side tracking, LinkedIn conversion tracking and API setup, TikTok Pixel and API setup, along with Snapchat, Pinterest, and Bing Ads conversion tracking. I also create for you Google Analytics for custom dashboard. So with a single click, you can identify which advertising platform and keyword generate more sale and lower cost, which product is selling the most, the best day and time for maximum conversion, and much more. Additionally, I will create a funnel visualization report in Google Data Studio to help you understand user behavior and make data-driven business decisions. If that's what you need, I'm here to handle this technical setup for you. Click the button below to book a one-on-one call or message me directly on WhatsApp if it's urgent.